guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today is Monday, February 8th, which means it's exactly 1 week until my state exam in psychology. So I thought I'd be filming a vlog this upcoming week of what happens, what I'm gonna do to make the most out of this last remaining week, and how I feel, and just everything. So follow along if you like. And if you're unfamiliar with this room, that's not my study room, it's my bedroom. So my study room is actually right above. So breakfast is over, I'm back in my room, and I just checked my emails and got some really great news. I got accepted into the geography seminar that I applied for. It's on ethnic minorities in the United States, and it's my favorite professor, so I'm absolutely excited for that next semester. And there were a lot of students who applied, so I'm really glad I got in. So that is some really positive news to start the week with motivation, and I'd say let's go. Hey guys, quick update. I just finished my morning study session. It's now 1 p.m. That means time for lunch in a second. I just wanted to give you a quick update. So I just reviewed some content on long and short-term memory. That's here, and it's actually super interesting, but I got a bit distracted in between because my climatology seminar instructor from next semester wanted us to declare our topic choices like right now, and I was heading to our web portal and it was down because of some online exams going on. But in the end I was able to confirm my choice, and I really hope that I'll get my top choice of topic. And I also just got an email saying that I got into the geography didactic seminar, which I'm not too fond of, but I really have to do for the credits. So I'm actually really happy I got in there too, but I really have a lot to do, so I better stop procrastinating, head to lunch, and then I'll see you guys later. Okay, so I just had another productive study session from 2 to 4, then took a coffee break. Now I'm back from my break, ready to hit the books once again, and hoping to get done everything I wanted to today, maybe even squeeze in a workout and an episode of the series I'm currently watching. So I just did Pam's back workout in my room instead of in my home gym in the basement. The workout is called Sitting Too Much Stretch, I think, and you don't sweat too much, so I thought I'd just stay in my room and use this as my yoga mat instead. I'm just gonna finish my study session after dinner before I hop on the couch and watch Netflix. That being said, I'm gonna close today's vlog here. So I don't know if I'm going to vlog tomorrow because it's gonna be pretty much the same all day. I'll just get up, have breakfast, study, have lunch, study again, have coffee, study again, do a workout, and have dinner. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated if something interesting happens, like with my courses or whatever. If it does end, then I'll see you guys on Wednesday, because on Wednesday I have got my oral exam, so I'm actually going to be heading to my office, which is a nice change of scenery given that I spend quite some time in this room these days. Okay, good night guys. Hey guys, so it's Tuesday, February 9, 1 p.m, so almost time for lunch. I just have one quick update for you guys today, and that is that my climatology instructor emailed me saying that I can do the topic I wanted to do, and he even sent me a couple of links and some topics that I should cover in my presentation. I just imported them into my Notion. So yes, little spoiler, I'm gonna be using Notion for planning this next semester, and I'm super excited about it. But anyway, so these topics all sound really interesting. Other than that, the weather outside is crap, but I don't mind too much because I'll be spending the day studying. Today I'm working on self-regulated learning and some other basic learning theories. I'll update you guys tomorrow when I have my Spanish oral, because like I said yesterday, I'm gonna be in my office. Alright guys, so I said there wouldn't be another update for today, but there is, because I got this in the mail. It's from Boost Bench, or it is a Boost Bench, and Yannick sent me this, which is so nice. I rarely reach out to brands myself, usually they reach out to me, but in this case, I reached out to Yannick and asked if I could try this because I really think this is a super interesting concept. I can't wait to try this out, and I'll give you guys a detailed review once I have. Good morning from the kitchen, guys. So I am so proud because I just made my very first smoothie ever myself with this cool smoothie maker that my mom gave me like 3 or 4 birthdays ago, but somehow we never used it. And then cleaning up the kitchen the other day, I found it and I was like, hey, we've got frozen mangoes and frozen raspberries and whatnot, so let's just make a smoothie. And so we did. I put in 1 small banana, not frozen though, and I put in some frozen mango, frozen raspberry, 2 ice cubes, a little orange juice, well, not pure orange juice, but some we had at home. Actually, I put in this one and the coconut milk I had at home, and then I just blended it and it worked really well, and I'm super excited to taste it. Yeah, so that being said, I'm just about to have breakfast. I actually slept in a little today because I was so sleep deprived, because lately I'm having a hard time falling asleep. I don't know why. It's probably because of the unconscious tension due to the state exam, but that's okay. Alright, so I'm back at my desk. As I told you guys, my Spanish oral is this afternoon, so I'm just gonna revise some vocabulary and then do those topics that we're supposed to talk about in the exam. I'm doing Spanish just for fun, so it doesn't count to my curriculum. I don't get graded, I don't even get credits for it, so really just for fun. But of course I don't want to let my classmates down, so I'm preparing nevertheless. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing this morning, and then I'll give you guys an update later. Hey guys, welcome to my office. So I just finished my Spanish oral and it went really well. So we were 3 people and the topics we got, they were definitely okay. And he immediately gave us feedback and he said that I did it really well. Of course I committed some errors, but he said they were minor and I can work on them easily, so that's not going to be a problem next semester for sure. He said I know how to use all those structures, I've got some great vocabulary, but yeah, I gotta work on some things, which is great feedback. Anyways, now that this exam is over, I don't have any other exams until Monday. So what I'm gonna do is head home and drink some coffee, have some cake, and then go on with my psychology preparation, study some more definitions, and probably do some practice problems. So yeah, that's the plan for today. I just solved some practice problems and now I'm going on and having a nice little workout this time in my home gym, which admittedly doesn't look too nice. But I want to redo everything here and put some mirrors up on the wall so I can track my movements while rowing. But yeah, as construction stores aren't open, I don't have a chance to get mirrors, and I don't even have the time to do that now. But that's one of the things on my bucket list for the upcoming semester break. Good morning, guys. I just finished my last class in political geography of the United States for the semester. I'm kind of sad about it because I really enjoyed this class. Hey, later on I'll have another class. It's the last psychology prep class, and I think that I'll get feedback on my mock exam. Alright, so I'm just about to make another smoothie, this time without raspberries but with banana and frozen mango. This guy is very interested in this banana. Alright, you can have the last one, okay? I added some mango, and this brown stuff is vanilla paste that I found in the fridge. I don't know if that was a good idea, but we'll see. Now I'm just adding some juice, and I'm also adding some coconut milk. Hey guys, so it's Friday morning and I'm actually on campus. That is because we had a meeting on Zoom for my ethnics minority seminar and the professor was giving out the topics, so I thought I'm just gonna head to my office where the internet is so much better. He also said that we don't have to finish the term paper by April 12th, which is super nice of him. Also, the sun is shining for the first day in forever, and this makes me miss campus life even more. Like, even though I get to be here on a regular basis, it's weird without all the people here. I just miss it. Hey guys, so I just finished my last Zoom class of the semester, or my last class in general, and it was just a Q&A session in cartography. Just spontaneously decided to go on a while of it. I haven't been here in forever. It's my favorite, like, running and walking path. I'm just so happy to have this forest like right behind my house. I just have to fall out the back door basically, and I'm right here. Thought I'd talk a little bit about my feelings towards the exam as of today, Friday. 2.5 days to go, and yeah, I gotta say I am a bit nervous, and no, I wouldn't say that I'm anxious. Like, I know that I've prepared well and that I have a good and profound knowledge of all the topics that were mentioned in the curriculum. So if they don't give us like the weirdest thing that nobody could ever think of, it should be fine. Still, I'm trying to work on the things that I'm still having a hard time with, solving more practice problems, going over definitions and stuff like that. So that's what I'm gonna do the next 2 days, and I'm actually gonna put my phone away for the next 2 days. I'll probably keep filming and give you guys an update when there is an update. It's 10 p.m. right now. I finished my evening study session. So normally the word evening study session doesn't exist in my vocabulary. I would say I'm a disciplined person, but I have one strict rule. After dinner, I don't do anything for school anymore. I just decided to skip that rule for the next 3 days because I still don't feel confident in some topics, and I don't know, I would feel bad sitting on the couch and watching Netflix or reading a book for fun while knowing that I could still work. It's just 3 more days, so I'm just gonna give it my all. So I'm quitting here. I just finished writing some more flashcards. I gotta go over these again tomorrow and do some more practice problems and like finish this massive list. I'm calling it a day. Good night and see you guys tomorrow. So I just realized I completely forgot to film yesterday, but there was nothing interesting going on actually. So it is Sunday, final day of preparation. We again have some sunshine, which boosts my mood extremely. I just came back from a little walk, so I feel refreshed, re-energized. You guys, so it's almost time for me to stop reviewing. It's gonna be time for dinner. I just spent the rest of the afternoon reviewing those flashcards, like those. There's some definitions that I'm still struggling with, but I might have a look at them later, like straight before I go to bed. So I'm gonna stop reviewing at around 9 p.m. and then pack my stuff. I've already prepared some of the stuff I want to bring tomorrow, then try to get to bed early. I want to get up at 6 tomorrow so we can leave at 7, and then I need to be there by 7:30 so that we can control our identities and everything. I'm actually feeling rather calm right now. I was a bit nervous early on. I guess I'll just stop talking out. That's my last part of the vlog before the exam, so I'm logging off for today. I'm planning to film a short update right after the exam when I'm back in my office. Hey guys, it is Monday, February 15th. I did it! Oh my god, my exam is over. I just came out. I talked to my friends and everything, but yeah, so it was over at 12:20. 4 hours, 20 minutes of writing, wearing a mask, but actually it was okay. I sat right next to the window, so they would open the window every hour. I think it went pretty well. So for pedagogic psychology, they asked about self-regulated learning, which was actually the one topic that I thought was most likely. And then topic number 2 was on the self concept, like in developmental psychology. Also something that I had prepared well, so both topics were fine. Yeah, I'm gonna try not to think about the exam now too much, but I'm also glad it's over now. Like, this was the longest exam I ever had in university. For now, I'm just looking forward to taking some days off, doing stuff that I enjoy doing, and sleep. Definitely sleep. So yeah, that's it. With that, my vlog is over. I know it's a little all over the place because that is how my brain looked for the past weeks, but I hope you still enjoyed watching it. I try to be very honest about how I felt, what I did, and how it is to prepare for this exam. Just know if you were about to take the exam, it's no miracle, everyone can do it. I'm actually planning to do an in-depth video in German about how I prepared for the exam, like what exactly I did from start to finish. Like I said, if you enjoyed, give this a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video, which will hopefully be a bit more structured.